Next. So far, whatever we had seen is some basic things, and one signal processing application we had seen. For example, like heart rate monitor, what I said. For suppose if you want to display a signal, if you want to find out the amplitude, maximum amplitude of that signal or minimum amplitude of that signal, or a mean of the signal, standard deviation, some features if you want to extract from the signal, how you can design for that. So for suppose how to display a signal, a basic sinusoidal signal, I'm going to generate and then display that. You can see that how we can do it. I'm just erasing it. So again, app designer. Already it is open, no need to type. Yeah, it is already open. Okay, so again as a new experiment, so every time when I go it as, so when you are designing, you will be remembering this. As a new experiment, every experiment I'm starting. So where I supposed to go? Blank app. Okay, here by default it is giving a name. I want to change it to my own signal processing. Signal processing name, I'm giving it as a signal processing toolbox. Under experiments, I want to save it. Okay, so what is my first step? I supposed to take a panel. Yes, I'm taking a panel. I'm dragging it and then releasing over UI figure. And I want to increase the size of that. I can adjust that according to my wish. Okay, now I'm going to display a signal. So I need a display component in order to display a signal. So first one, you could see the component first one, I'm just going to drag it and then release here. It is axis. Okay, so axis is useful for displaying a signal, and also image also can be displayed using axis. Okay, now what I'm going to do means I need a push button. Yes, so I'll name it as start. How to change the name, how to edit the name, just double click on that and then you can change it. Title, I want to give the title for this. I'm just double clicking on the title and changing it as sinusoidal signal. Okay, and panel name you can change according to your wish. Okay, so I'm not going to change anything for the panel.